Good afternoon and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, Freelander 2.2 SD4 GS automatic Commandshift 4-wheel drive. Now GS model, only 76,000 miles, does have black leather heated seats, DAB radio. Right, cam belt replaced at 50,000 miles. 10 services in the book. 2 keys with the car. Tow bar, £10,495. Now this is the later, it's got the later digital sort of light up clocks. So later model on a 13, only 76,000 miles, 10 services in the book. As you can see, xenon daytime running light headlamps, got matching Michelin or the proper tyres on it. Black leather, heated seats, automatic, tow bar, low mileage, 76,000 for 13, 10 services, cam belt replaced at 50,000 miles. So yeah, it's got Goodyear Wrangler tyres on, which it would have had from new, mint wheels, loads of tread, obviously been well maintained, 10 services. Got Land Rover fitted carpet mats. Nice spec actually, because it's got the armrests, got the black leather seats, got heated seats, multifunction steering wheel. The only thing it hasn't got is sat nav or a sunroof, but it does have DAB digital radio, Bluetooth including music playback, and heated leather seats. And it is automatic. Mint car. Load covers there, not dented or scratched, lovely and clean inside, not dirty at all or abused. Real nice thing. 10 services, 76,000 miles. Mud flaps, full size aluminium spare wheel. I mean, mint, really is lovely. Brand new Goodyear Wrangler, never been on the road. Very nice car, drives like brand new. So 2 keys, 76,000 miles, 10 services, cam belt replaced at 50. Doesn't really get any better. Proper car. I mean, you can tread on those like new. 4 matching Goodyear Wranglers, mint alloy wheels, beautifully clean. Cruise control, Bluetooth for your phone, 76,622 miles currently, DAB radio, heated leather seats, automatic, no wear to the leather on the driver's seat, lovely condition throughout, £10,495, later dashboard, later clocks, really nice car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Freelanders in stock, or visit Barclay Motor Company on our Instagram or Facebook accounts. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you will be the first person to know every time we upload a fresh car into stock, because you will get a little notification to your iPad or phone or desktop or laptop or whatever you use. You get a little notification just to say we've uploaded a fresh video onto YouTube. You'll be the first person to know that we have a fresh car into stock. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.